It's not just about what you see on the surface, it's what's underneath that actually matters most. By addressing the design so that it addresses what's underneath, or the base of your arena, and the important thing to achieve there is if you could develop a tool that would level the base, and then once the base is level, you're leveling to the base with the top of the footing, you've now got a performance arena.
So here's how the Riata rake works. It's a 4-phase system. The first, the gauge tires help to level the base.
They appear not to be working as you pull it through the arena that has a level base, but the moment that the base drops off, instead of allowing the tines to follow the hole that is in the base, the wheels will hold it up. What that does is helps to level the base.
Second phase is the adjustable tine bar that stays level and removes compaction without digging into the base.
This is a precision tine bar. It is designed with 4-bar linkage so that it will set in motion and have perfect depth. Tines will be equally level regardless of what depth you set it in.
Phase 3 is the leveling comb, which releases material across the arena evenly.
You've got a hill on one side and a hole on the other. It's basically going to pull that hill until it has a place to deposit that footing material. So it's a really important part of why our system levels so well.
And phase 4 is the compaction plate and finishing comb, which presses down and keeps the consistency of the arena.
You want to be able to have solid footing. You want the horse to feel confident and be able to push away and move rather than just moving material. So the compaction plate starts here, it ends here, and then the finish comb basically top dresses and does a little bit more of the compaction.
They've really thought of everything. The rake also has a fence blade that pulls the footing away from the edge. You can move up to a yard of material with the hydraulically controlled leveling comb. Plus, you can also set the rake to rip the arena with the rear-mounted rippers.
We originally designed the tool, rippers were up front. That seems to be where everybody wants to put rippers on one of these. The problem with that is if your right front tire goes up on the tractor, you can bet what's going to happen. Your left side is going to drop in the back and the rippers are going to create undulation in the base of your arena.
In contrast, these unique rear-mounted rippers help to keep the arena level and are a maintenance feature that can be used when needed.
This piece of equipment right here is 5 implements in one. It has 5 different functions. So you're buying basically 5 different pieces of equipment established in this one unit.
Riata rake also has a smaller version that you don't need a tractor to pull.
So this is our trailed tool, our pull behind, and it's designed for quads, skaters, even 300cc golf carts can pull this tool in an arena. The beauty of this is that you can have a 5-minute run in a 100 by 150 foot arena and you've completely groomed the footing.
There's an easy-to-use Frontier Riata rake for any size arena, and more importantly, for any horse owner that just wants good, safe footing.
We basically designed it so that it can support, engage any equestrian activity, whether it's just a backyard western pleasure or a high performance cutting, reining, dressage, jumping. And part of the challenge there was making sure that it could work in all footing conditions.
3 generations worked to bring you the Riata rake: creator Mike Powell, his son John, and his father Bob. For more information about the Riata rake, it's available through any John Deere dealer.
The dealership will come out to your property, check out your arena, bring their rake out there, and show you how it works.
For more information about the Frontier Equipment Riata rake, go to riatarake.com or call 520-208-9505. The Frontier Riata rake, truly an amazing innovation for horses and horse owners everywhere.